I'm Shalini Devan with my co-host Shikha and Varsha on our channel Tete-a-Tete with Shalini, Shikha and Varsha. Now in our segment of Dynamic Guest, today we have Gaurav Gupta ji, who is a multitasker and an entrepreneur. So I will have to say, so welcome Gaurav ji on the channel. And before I begin, I think I will have to tell you of what all he does. He is the treasurer of Lions Club. He's the president of Lions Club Delhi. And he's the president of Rajasthan Academy. He's a treasurer of Indian Council for Human Relations, consultant at the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry, international conveyor at Sparsh Ganga, and international conveyor at Womenovator. So I think that's quite a thing. आप बहुत कुछ कर लेते हो.
I'm trying.
That's really nice. And then the best thing is he's an entrepreneur with a very social end because he works a lot for the society. So Gaurav ji, ये बताइए, पहले you tell us about yourself. About your family, about your, how you're in Delhi and how it, yeah.
Thank you, Shalini. Thank you for inviting me. We are from Delhi. Our four generations from Delhi only.
Okay.
Prior to that, we are from Sonipat. My forefathers were from Sonipat.
Okay.
Haryana, which was also part of Delhi. So, I'm blessed with two sons and one daughter.
Wow.
The sons have completed their graduation and they are looking after the business and work with me.
Okay. And he had adopted his daughter and she's married now, right?
Yeah, she's married and blessed with one son.
Wow, that's really nice.
She's chartered accountant and.
And what made you get into social work? Like you have a business, so आपको ये कैसे, how you felt that you should be doing this?
Yeah, it is giving me satisfaction from inside, and we are blessed. I'm getting united from my family.
Okay.
My grandfather was one of the big social worker associated with many organizations. My father was a source of inspiration for me.
Wow.
My father was the vice president of the Delhi's oldest Ramla committee.
Wow.
With the Agarwal Samaj, and he's doing a lot of social work. I'm maybe doing some percentage of his work.
So I think that runs in your blood,
Yes,
So तभी we say कि if the family, what you see in the family is what you do. So as we said, his father, his grandfather were so good with, they were working for the society, they were doing their businesses. So that is running in the blood.
Yes.
That's really nice.
So what do you like about being a philanthropist?
Connecting and networking is the main forte, and I feel like you are in this world and not living for yourself.
Okay.
So giving something, if you are having something, it is to for sharing.
Okay.
And this pandemic has taught you many things. Man cannot live alone. Who want to go alone, they must have fed up.
Bilkul. Yeah, so I think the family ties and relations and everything has come up in this pandemic.
Yes, everything matters in life. Everything has its own importance.
Yeah.
Family is there. Family has its own importance. Your friends have their own importance. Then other than friends and family, you have the whole society for you.
Absolutely.
Let's try to give something which we are having and we can do for
Absolutely. So वही होता है कि if we are privileged, so we should extend our hands. We should make sure that people who are not a little less privileged should also be getting the best that we can do for them. Yes.
Some people are better than us, but they are not social.
Yeah.
But they also feel like connected with us and they want to be joining our team and.
तो वही ना एक inspiration आप बन रहे हो for a lot of people.
I am also get inspired people like you and others.
That's right. That's really
How do you
nice.
manage this work-life balance?
It's your passion. Whenever you are passionate, you can do anything. 24 hours. I used to attend 5 to 7 events in a day.
Wow.
And I'm well connected with the embassy in New Delhi and lot of part of more than 70, 80 social organization in Delhi. So it's your passion. You make your chart. You make the routine. You can attend 7, 10 meetings in a day.
I think that is because if you're disciplined and
Yeah, you start a day early morning, so you can finish by 12 o'clock. Do a lot of things. And this is Sunday, this 15th August, we have 3 to 4 webinars back to back. So we are busy the whole day.
That's really nice.
What are some of your biggest accomplishments in your field work in terms of philanthropy and all?
Because I cannot say we have achieved, we have to work a lot. But I'm blessed to get an award from Spain this year only. International Achiever Award in Madrid in February only. And I got an award in UK Parliament also last year.
Okay.
So this I am taking as a blessing and a motivation to do more work. Even this pandemic also, I got a Mahabodhi International Award.
Okay.
And Dr. Sandeep Marwa from Marwa honored me the National Award for the COVID warriors.
Okay.
So we're getting blessing daily. You can
So I
say.
think you do good, it comes back to you.
Definitely, God is there to see, and
Right.
people are there to watch.
I think this, is a stress thing, where you say, if you do good, it comes back to you. God is looking up there, so please extend your hand towards the society. That's what Gaurav is doing, and see, how much he's doing. So that's really nice.
During this pandemic times, you have contributed a lot to the society. So tell us more about it.
We try to do something because after the lockdown, everybody was in dark, sitting at home. We see government has started distributing food and everything, but there was much needed, more needed. So we gathered from our WhatsApp group and our social groups.
Okay.
We started our kitchen in next week only, sorry. And even Bikaner Wala is our member, so
Okay.
they also contribute lakhs of packets to us. So we just made some centers. It was not possible for me to go each and every center, or we are not possible to be in field always because we were also afraid of the thing. But we made the people who come and gather the daily the packets and took the different part of Delhi.
Okay.
So it was a blessing we could manage to distribute at least 2.5 months.
Okay.
And it was continuous effort. And apart from that, we were able to get the basic things like mask, PPE kit also. And one thing we did with the MCD hospital in East Delhi only, we made them the reusable PPE kit because the hospital's second worker, not the doctors, the cleaners and other second staff, third staff, they're not getting the kits and they were afraid. So we get them the washable kit, and our counselor was very happy. Say we putting it in the sanitizer and wash it again and then using it again.
That's nice.
So it was, we try to do some, but we try to do more, but whatever limited sources we could get, we try to do that.
Right.
Like they say, boon boon se sagar hota hai.
Definitely, whatever we are little blessed. We are not everything. Where God is given something, and it's a team. I am not doing anything alone. I am not having that much of sources, but I am feeling blessed. I have a team, friends, members who keep supporting us, and which is motivating us to do more and more.
I think the concept of being we is much higher than doing
Definitely,
I,
I cannot do
we
anything.
can do a lot of things.
Yes, I cannot do anything.
Absolutely. नहीं अब वो फिर इकट्ठे लोग के साथ ना you get that vision is become stronger, you get more positive, and you spread out more positivity when
Definitely.
people see that a lot of
Everybody has
people
their
are
own strength and they come up with their own idea, their own strengths. We can do much bigger things and
Yes.
better things.
And so you tell me, but a lot of people were very lonely. This depression thing came a lot when we were thinking of a lot of people were committing suicides or they were going through depression. So what do you think? How should people handle that? Because अकेले कई बारी क्या था, कुछ लोग लॉक हो गए थे अकेले घर में. So आप क्या मैसेज दोगे कि what they should do to come out of it?
Media is the best connection. Your mobile is the WhatsApp, whatever group. I am having thousands of connections in my WhatsApp. I am daily connected. I am sending them good morning messages. Hardly I get the feedback of 0.5% people, 0.05%. Okay, we are not happy with getting the message. And 99.5% people are happy getting the messages. We feel connected. And when I was also COVID positive in June with my family. So 3-4 days I couldn't send a message when I was hospitalized. So people were sending the message, what happened? Where are you? Where are you? So I didn't inform them that I was in trouble. I had the treatment. But they were then they called me. My son informed them. My father is resting and he is having the treatment. So
Okay.
they came to know. So
Okay. So they were waiting for your morning
morning
messages.
You are not getting messages. Something is wrong with you. What happened? But it is a blessing. And
हाँ तो ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें ही ना I think actually to keep our
even
morals up.
whenever you alone, you should the supreme power. You should whatever God you believe in. You should even Bhagavad Gita is a good tool. And you know what we have started our organization and Truth organization. We started a weekly session on Bhagavad Gita.
मैंने आपका ये सुना है and I actually was very curious to know कि आप भगवत गीता के ना because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा connect नहीं कर पाई थी आपके उसके साथ but I really wanted to know what do you do?
Yeah, what happened? Our dear friend is there in Delhi and sorry, Gurgaon only, and his father is a renowned authority on Bhagavad Gita. He has already written in 3 languages the Bhagavad Gita and musical Bhagavad Gita. So he suggested me. So this is now 8th session. Only one session we missed, which was Saturday. I was in hospital, but I told them you can start a Zoom meeting. But no, we are not going to do this week. But we are doing regularly for the last 3 months.
Okay.
And there our Guruji speak for half an hour
अच्छा.
in very simple language Hindi about Gita. Then we try to get different speakers. One is Mr. Vikas Vats, who is HRA head also, and he is very good in quantum astrology. So we talk on quantum astrology. Last week we got some chairman of Ekal Vidyalaya, some yoga expert, some Ayurveda expert. This week also we are getting sister from this BK sister from this
Okay. From those
this
Brahma Kumaris, yes.
sister.
Ah.
So everybody wants to come them and we are not. I feel like whenever more people will give you more happiness. Nobody want to listen a big lecture from one person. What I've seen in this, this
Yes.
pandemic time, everything is webinar, TV, you're listening and listening. So I just try to invite 4-5 speakers every week, and 5 or 10 minutes everybody wants to give their. If you like more, so people can extend their time. Otherwise,
No, and plus, as everybody has a different thought process for the same thing. So it's
maybe
nice to know.
I am connected. Everybody cannot connect with every talk.
Bilkul, bilkul.
Even myself, I'm not a good listener, I say myself. but we should know the things.
Yes.
So that is why my efforts are like that. So people are feeling happy and we want to continue it.
So, आप क्या advice होगी to the youngsters to how to actually deal with this situation, and how should they remain more positive and come out of it so that they don't feel that away from home so what is the advice, and how should they connect to the social work and everything?
Positivity is the main key, and they should not feel they should take life as it comes.
Absolutely.
They should not be this happen. If you trip, you will get more.
Yes.
Everything in this bad time also we have learned many things good. You should focus on always the good things in your life. Even in my family, my son, we have never seen his cooking. We started cooking also.
Yes.
Wow. That's a good life skill.
Yeah, there was a birthday or some celebration. We are not ordering from outside, so they tried cake on the YouTube channel is there. They made the cake. First attempt was not good, second attempt was very good.
Yeah.
So we like, okay, every time you make the cake now.
In fact, this pandemic usme a lot of people have become master chefs,
My 2 days back, only my younger son made some sandwiches which is very good, better than 5-star, better than the best.
And so much cleaner, hygienist.
Hygiene, so whatever we feel like, plus minus the ingredient, whatever we feel like, so you get the customized as per your taste, the best thing to eat.
Yes, exactly.
It is like you have to be creative. People are doing connected with the webinars, we connected with a lot of online classes also. But it should be like that only. Take it as it's coming.
Absolutely.
No need to be creative, and you will be better person coming time.
Absolutely right. So as we heard Mr. Gaurav talk about it, he says creativity came out in pandemic. People have to be very positive. You have to take life as it comes, because cribbing will take you nowhere. And the more we connect to people, the more we are positive. And why not, just share your talents, share your thoughts and processes. Everybody is there to listen to you. So don't fret. There is nothing, nothing really bad is going to happen. Everything comes out of it. And this is just a trying phase where we will be definitely out of it very, very positively. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Gaurav ji, it was really a pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
No, it was really a pleasure. Thank you.
Pleasure.
And our cameraman, Khushi, thank you so much.
Thank you.